the channel. So I hear that you guys are curious about what oil am I using and how I'm getting my hairs to grow fast and thick. Well, guess what? I'm gonna show you. Let's get started. So guys, the oil that I'm using is an Ayurvedic oil. This oil is a big contribution to my thicker roots, healthier scalp, and hair growth. I have been using this oil consistently for 6 to 12 months, guys, along with my all-natural hair tea sprays such as Rosemary, Fenugreek, and Cloves spray, which, by the way, jump-started my hair growth. I will leave that link to that video up above and in the description down below if you guys would like to check it out. Now, I definitely truly believe that learning about your hair and what it loves, being consistent with the routine, using all natural products, and stretching your hair will grow your strands and help you maintain your length. I'm starting off with the double boiling method. I am using a 4-cup measuring cup inside of a pot with boiling water. I am using 2 ounces or 1/3 cup of a mixture of Ayurvedic powders and teas of my choice, along with 4 cups of oils of my choice. The oils that I'm using today is grapeseed oil. It is incredibly lightweight, moisturizing, and it smooths and blocks split ends. Now the next oil that I'm using is sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil hydrates dull, dry hair. It smooths your hair texture, strengthens, and fights inflammatory scalp conditions. The next oil that I'm using is jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is closest to our natural sebum. It's hydrating from inside and out. It helps with maintaining your scalp natural pH balance, and it repairs breakage. Now the 4th oil that I'm using is rice bran oil. Rice bran oil has a very high heat tolerance. It also nourishes your hair with its fatty acids, it prevents early graying, and it strengthens the roots of your hair. Now, I do apologize for some of the footage that has been lost during the editing process, but I also have used vitamin E and Jamaican black castor oil to help jumpstart or further the hair growth. You will never see me using aloe vera or avocado oil because I do have an allergy towards those oils. So I avoid using those oils or any products that will cause inflammation and could later damage my hair follicles. I mix the oil and herbs together and let heat up for about 1 to 2 hours under low heat. So I say this to you, Ashmaaris. Only use oils that your scalp and your hair absolutely love, and use herbs and Ayurvedic powders for what you are trying to achieve. You don't have to use exactly what I'm using today, especially if your hair doesn't agree with those oils, but rather replace them instead. I then go ahead and pour my herbal oil into an air-sealed tight container. I leave it in a cool, dark place for approximately 6 to 8 weeks. Now I'm using this stocking to strain this oil, but a cheesecloth or a coffee strainer would do the trick as well. Also, not leave you guys hanging, I will leave the full recipe in the description down below so you guys can reap the benefits from this super potent hair growth Ayurvedic oil. Now, what do I do with these leftover herbs in my jar, huh? You don't throw it away, of course. You can refill the jar with oils and extra herbs and make another batch, guys. Or use the herbs to add into your deep conditioner to make a super potent Ayurvedic hair growth treatment. Now you know I do have to add some extra benefits and add some essential oils. This time I am using tea tree, sage, rosemary, which I absolutely love the smell of rosemary, guys, oregano, and clary sage. Now I usually also use peppermint or lavender, but I ran out of those essential oils, but those two are also excellent options. Ashmaari's, a little goes a long way. This oil will give you a great shine and your hair will be extremely moisturized. I use this oil at least 2 to 3 times a week. First, I spray my scalp with one of my herbal teas, and this week I am using my rosemary tea, and then oil my scalp. After applying the oil throughout my scalp, I give myself a really good massage. Now guys, don't forget this step. Scalp massages are excellent for stimulating hair growth by improving the circulation to your scalp. Plus, it will help the oils to penetrate more effectively. So, if you really like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I really do enjoy making videos and helping us all heal. And remember guys, we're on a lifestyle change journey to heal our minds, bodies, and spirits by reflecting on our past, remaining present, and focusing on our future. Until next time, Ashmaari's. Bye.